So we'll see the first example. So the question is, so we are given a table. So this table, we have food grains sold by farmers at various prices. So in the first column, farmers' names are given, that is A, B, C, D and E. In the first row, food grains, various food grains are given. So what are all the food grains? Rice, corn, bajra, paddy and jowar. So in this table, so we have price per kg, at what cost per kg this farmer sell. So this question was adapted from Indian Bank Rural Marketing Officer Exam 2010. And now we'll see the questions. So the first question. So find the ratio of farmer C's earnings in 30 kg of rice and 25 kg of corn. So here what they have asked, ratio, comparison of earnings for farmer C. So for farmer C itself, we are asked to find the ratio of earnings which he gets in rice selling 30 kg and corn selling 25 kg. And now we'll see the details. So farmer C, rice per kg is given in the first column, so which has been highlighted in this orange color. So for your easy reference, so we have highlighted the value. So but in exam, so all this will not be given. So you have to find the value. And what is price per kg farmer C sells? Rupees 40. How many kilograms he sells? He sells 30 kg of rice. Now what will be his earnings? So 30 into 40. So per kg cost is 40 rupees. So 30 kg is 30 into 40. The earnings got in selling 30 kg of rice is 30 into 40. And selling 25 kg of corn. So now the earnings got by farmer C selling 30 kg and cost per kg is 40. And no need to multiply this. So we'll get the value for corn also. So how many kilograms of corn he is selling? 25 kg. And what is cost per kg? So we have that in the third column, so which is highlighted in green color. The cost per kg is 24. Now what will be his earning after selling 25 kg? So multiply 25 and 24. And no need to multiply and then simplify it. It's a mere waste of time. So just simplify, because it is product, we can just simplify the common factors and finally we can multiply and give the ratio. If no common factor, finally you can give the ratio. Now how we can simplify? So 5 times and here it is 6. So 6 4 times and then 10. So we have 10 and 5. So 5 once and 2 times. Now what is the ratio? So ratio of earnings for farmer C in rice and corn is in the ratio 2:1. Answer is option A, 2:1. So here earnings is got by multiplying the quantity and cost per kg. So quantity is 30, cost per kg is 40. And for rice and for corn, quantity is 25 and cost per kg we have highlighted in green color 24. So simplifying the common factors, so the ratio got is 2:1 and answer is option A. So we'll see the next question. So we'll see the second question. So the question is, if farmer D and farmer E both sell 240 kgs of bajra each, what would be the respective ratio of their earnings? So what is the question asked? So ratio of earnings for two farmers D and E. So what is the quantity they sell? 240 each. And how students will proceed this? So they'll multiply quantity of 240 into cost of bajra per kg, what D is selling and what E is selling. So we'll see the working table. So here, what is the cost farmer D is selling bajra? It is 28 rupees per kg. So it is highlighted in orange color. And farmer E sells bajra at rupees 30 per kg. Now what will be his earning? So mostly students multiply the quantity 240 with 28 to get his earning and 240 into 30 for farmer E to get the earning. No need to do that. So because this 240 is same, this is a common number in both the parts. so it gets cancelled. So just merely by getting the ratio of cost per kg itself, we'll arrive at the answer. So no need to waste in time using this 240 kg quantity, because both farmers are selling same quantity. So that gets cancelled. So just by simplifying cost per kg itself, we'll arrive at the answer. And now what is the cost farmer D is selling bajra? That is 28. So actual his earnings is 250 into 28. And for E it is 250 into 30, or 240 into 28. For farmer A it is 240 into 30. And no need to take that. Just simplify this cost per kg. So we arrive at the answer. And now what is the common factor here? So as both are even numbers, so cancel this with 2. So 14 and 15. So cancelling out the common factor, so it is 14 is to 15 and it is option C. So as further this cannot be simplified, so we get the ratio as 14 is to 15 and the answer is option C. So please note here, whenever you see common terms in both the parts, no need to consider that. Just by simplifying with the other values, here as quantity is same, so just omit that, get simplify the cost per kg itself, and the answer got is 14 is to 15, option C. So now we will see the next tool.